gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
The OPPO Find X9 Ultra is finally here, and honestly, this thing feels more like a real camera than a phone. Right before the Urumqi holiday, I got early access to test its insane 10x optical zoom and dual 200-megapixel cameras. But the big question is, can it actually level up your holiday photography? Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. The second I picked it up, the Hasselblad influence was obvious. The perfectly symmetrical master eye camera design, the shutter button, even the terrace brown finish, everything screams classic camera vibes. It genuinely feels like carrying a premium Hasselblad in your pocket, and every shutter press feels weirdly satisfying. But design means nothing if the photos disappoint, so let's see what this thing can really do. The biggest highlight is easily the 10x optical zoom camera. Thanks to a complex internal light system, it can even stretch to 20x optical zoom. And the crazy part? Distant subjects still look sharp and detailed. You just point, shoot, and somehow the quality holds up. What surprised me even more was portrait photography. The telephoto lens creates strong background compression, making shots feel more cinematic and dramatic. Backgrounds look cleaner, subjects pop harder, and the overall depth looks incredible. Then there are the dual 200-megapixel ultra-large sensors. The main camera goes beyond the traditional 1-inch sensor standard, while the telephoto uses the largest sensor in its class. You get native 23mm and 70mm focal lengths, plus optical quality 46mm and 140mm shots, thanks to the massive resolution. In real life, that makes everyday shooting way more flexible. Photos from the main camera look seriously impressive. This focal length is perfect for capturing both people and scenery together. The detail instantly stands out, and even after cropping deep into the image, shots still stay sharp and usable. It gives you so much freedom while shooting. Switching to the 3x telephoto for portraits, the results get even better. Facial details look super clean, and OPPO's Lumo Super Pixel engine keeps skin tones natural and lifelike instead of over-processed. And finally, the new Hasselblad Master Film features might be my favorite part. OPPO redesigned 9 master film filters, but 3 really stood out. Hai Guang uses softer, low-saturation colors for a nostalgic retro vibe. Changrong goes the opposite direction with richer colors and striking blues that make images feel crisp and vibrant. And Hey by contrast delivers bold black and white shots with a dramatic premium look. Each filter gives photos a completely different personality, and honestly, once you start using them, it's hard to stop shooting. One feature I didn't expect to love this much is the new one-click master parameter sharing. Here's how it works. If you see an amazing photo on Xiaohongshu, you can import those exact shooting settings straight into your gallery with one tap. Then, the next time you shoot, you can instantly recreate that same style. No more digging through comments asking for presets or editing formulas. And honestly, after seeing these sample shots, the image quality speaks for itself. The color tuning on this phone is seriously impressive. Most phones struggle with warm lighting and often mess up skin tones, but the Find X9 Ultra keeps colors looking natural and true to life, even in tricky scenes. OPPO also upgraded the second-generation single-lens color system with more sampling channels while lowering power consumption. It sounds technical, but in daily use, it genuinely makes a difference. Now for the really serious photography stuff. OPPO also offers the Land Explorer Master Kit. The Find X9 Ultra can connect to a 300mm OPPO Hasselblad Ultra teleconverter built around a 200-megapixel lens, plus extra accessories. Whether you're shooting landscapes or zooming into concert stages from far away, the super telephoto experience is honestly kind of crazy for a smartphone. Performance is just as impressive. The phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 with the Tide engine, delivering strong performance without draining battery too fast. And with the bright 2K eye protection display reaching up to 2K nits, gaming feels smooth and stable even during demanding sessions. Battery life also surprised me. The 7050 mAh Glacier battery still had 63% left after a 4-hour endurance test, which is seriously impressive compared to other phones in this range. On the software side, the new ColorOS 16 feels smoother than ever. The updated lock screen animations look clean and fluid, while important info stays easy to read during transitions. It feels polished, practical, and very user-friendly. So overall, the Find X9 Ultra feels like a phone that truly understands photographers. It brings Hasselblad-style image quality and professional color reproduction into a device that still feels easy to use. You get multiple focal lengths, creative filters, powerful shooting modes, and pro-level tools all in one package. And honestly, calling it a professional pocket Hasselblad doesn't even feel exaggerated anymore. Whether you love shooting daily moments, travel photos, or serious content creation, this phone feels built for it. So, if you're traveling this holiday season, this might be the perfect camera to bring with you. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hopefully this helped if you're thinking about upgrading your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!